As we all know, slow heating up is a common defect of regular soldering stations. Thanks to the exclusive patented heating technology, the thermal conductivity of Toor T12-11 soldering station has been improved. Comparing with traditional soldering stations, T12-11 features fast heating up, which is time-saving. During real repair work, repair technicians usually need to get the tip replaced for different soldering needs. T12-11 comes with different types of tips for different soldering needs. The tip can also be replaced quickly without powering off the station, which is convenient and efficient. What's more, the creative intelligent sleep design also extends product service life. Besides the compact integrated design, tips of T12-11 are also made from materials that suffer less from oxidation. Together with the heating element inside the iron handle, these three guarantee precise soldering of the station. For precise operations like joining up RC components by jumping wires, the precise soldering of T12-11 ensures the success of our soldering work. Comparing with regular soldering stations, the unique temperature control system of T12-11 ensures temperature accuracy within plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius. There is no need for temperature calibration during the operation. Also, once the temperature has been set, the tip will work with the set temperature during actual operations. For example, before cleaning the pad, the temperature is set to 350 degrees Celsius. During the whole cleaning process, the tip works at 350 degrees Celsius. The constant temperature ensures smooth operation of the tip without paste caking. REWA LAB has been testing the station for a period of time, and we are happy to tell you that Toor T12-11 can not only greatly improve your repair efficiency but also save your time, especially for some precise operations like chip/pad cleaning, jumping wires, Touch ID repair, etc. Visit REWA online shop and get this high-performance Toor T12-11 digital intelligent, lead-free soldering station at a favorable price now.